Ohanaeze ndị Igbo president na ya anyị ncheghị bụ ndị Igbo ka ya hapụ iji voters card wee kwuo ekwu anyị ji agbata voters card because ịma na mpụta ebe a na-agwa gị egekwana onye ọbụla na-agwa gị dat na voters card gị dị powerless. You understand me? Eji m ife na-eme na Anambra wee malụ na atụ ebe a. Go and get your voters card. Do you get my point? Like ọ bụ na ifigoro video ebe nya bụ Ohanaeze president na-ekwu ife afọ our address kwaziri federal government ka erelizie Mazi Nnamdikanu ịghọtago because ojiji eji ebe ahụ onye onwezi onye ghọtara ife a na-eme ebe ọ na some part of this country na-negotiate with the bandit na ndị terror. So kedu ife Nnamdikanu nke eji wee dị iche ọ ya mpụta ebe a na magụ na onwere ife dị ya Nnamdikanu kwuru ekwuru mmadụ ekwubere before ma dị free na this country Nigeria. So some of nwa ya wepụtara ya na-asị ka amụta Nnamdikanu ka egbuo. I don't subscribe to that. Nnamdikanu is an agitator. You got to go now. Nnamdikanu will product of failed leadership. Do you understand? Even on the way many see me one see amazing if double standard na this country more na what she go even happen now you go the president of Ohanaeze ndị Igbo could do.
This is Senator John Azota Mbata, President General Ohanaeze ndị Igbo worldwide. I am calling upon ndị Igbo niile, wherever you are in Nigeria, to quickly go and take advantage of the voter registration exercise that is going on right now. Go and get your card as quickly as possible. Secondly, I would like to call upon the federal government of Nigeria to quickly release Nnamdikanu. The government has no serious advantage in keeping him. It is important that the government ensures his safety and his welfare. And the government must allow him to go and get medical treatment as quickly as possible. The government must adopt a political solution to this situation. I do not believe that the government has any serious advantage in keeping him any further. Thank you very much.
Now, I'm going to the father of Ohanaeze ndị Igbo. For now, you got to go worldwide. I'm going to give you my federal government to Nnamdikanu. Because for me, I want to tell me the reason why I can't wait to Nnamdikanu. You understand me? I want to but you so see about that now. We for start to easily that say, especially our governors and senators say, that will fail woefully. You understand? Another important thing in Manji we about we have voters card. Na vote to other account on Nigeria ante. Go and get your voters card. That is your power. Na gwa the truth to. Obuno your power man 5,000. Obuno your power. Governor Soludo man now wugari for na wugari. Do you get my point? Kamesian, I help him share this video.